Oh, here comes turns. He's got downshift. Yeah.
Woo! Alright, now we gotta do a complete engine tear down, dude. Throwing head gaskets out here in the heat.
ハイパースピードメディア
What's up, guys? I'm Russ Lyman and I'm here with my Super Mario Kart car. If you guys want to check out the build on it, I got everything on my YouTube, Instagram. Just search Russ Lyman. But let's take a look at the car right here. It mimics Mario's Kart car in the game. Red, white, and blue with yellow rims on it. And then I have a custom graphic on the side right here. 85, Mario came out in 1985. So had to have that on the car right here. And it's not complete without the blue shell on the roof rack right there. That's a fiberglass cargo carrier that I made from scratch. Keep your spare tire in there, your jack, and something you don't want to see in your rear view mirror. But let's take a look on the inside right here. So my dash is completely blue with some racing fabric on here, and we got a little VIP table. You could play your Game Boy Classic right there. I got an NRG steering wheel that's blue and just catches the sunlight. So awesome with the little Mario emblem on there. And then I do have effect buttons that make sound effects. I put speakers in the bumper so this way I'm driving by someone, I can surprise them with a Mario sound effect. Really fun. So the front of the car, I got the fabulous body kit on here with some custom fog lights in there. And of course we got the M-Kart custom vanity plate right there, Mario Kart. Classic. Definitely a fun theme to go with. On my tires too, I got spikes. You're never complete without some spikes in a good Mario Kart race, so get my opponents with these right here. And even my valve stem caps are 3D printed. I have a bullet bill on this one, and then the rear ones have bombs on it. I'll take you to the back of the car here to show you the trunk setup. Now my amp is a Thwomp from Mario, custom painted. And then of course I got Mario's tools right here, his wrench and plunger, so we're good to do some plumbing. And my warp pipe speaker sub, very cool. I thought it was a great shape to put a sub in there. And you can play some Super Nintendo. I got controllers right here, and we're playing some classic Super Mario World. Definitely a fun one. I also have Mario Kart on there, but I do enjoy Super Mario World a little bit more. And yeah, I really enjoy showing the car off to everyone. I do have a custom scooter that I made into Yoshi, which I would love to bring out to car shows in the future. But if you grew up in the 80s, you definitely know Super Mario, so I'm excited to show it off here at RADWOOD.
Calling out to me as we climb
ハイパースピードメディア